gentlemen, welcome aboard this flight to Barbados. My name is Georgia and I'll be your cabin supervisor for this journey. The flight crew today is Captain George Owen and First Officer Daniel Leonard. Working with me will be Laura and Molly. Our flight time today is estimated to be 8 hours and 40 minutes. We do have the wind behind us, meaning that we're scheduled to arrive on time today. It's now time to sit back, relax and enjoy your flights with us. Thank you. Cabin crew doors to automatic cross-check and report please.